Welcome back to Passionate About Tech. Today, I'm diving deep into how to get that gorgeous Windows Glass theme on your taskbar. Plus, a bonus, we'll make your Start menu and Notification Center completely transparent, too. Let's jump right in. First things first, we need to grab the tool that makes all this magic happen. Head over to your browser and type in windhawk.net. Once the page loads, look for the big download button right there on the home page. Click it. That'll kick off the download for the exe file. When it's ready, find it in your Downloads folder and double-click to run it. You'll see a setup wizard pop up. Click OK, then Next. Windows might throw up an admin prompt asking if you want to allow the app to make changes. Just click Yes. Keep hitting Next through the prompts, and finally, click Install. Boom! Windhawk is now on your system, and we're ready to roll. Give it a second to launch, and you'll see its main window open up. All right, with Windhawk humming along, let's tackle that taskbar and give it the glass treatment you've been dreaming of. On the left side of the Windhawk window, you'll spot the Explore tab. Click that to open up the Marketplace of Mods. Now, in the search bar at the top, type in Windows 11 Taskbar Styler. It should pop right up in the results. Click on its Details page. There, hit the Install button. Windhawk will warn you about potential risks since this is third-party stuff. But trust me, this one's solid. Just click Accept Risk and install. Wait for it to finish downloading and applying the mod. It only takes a moment. Once that's done, let's fire up the settings. Click on the settings icon in Windhawk. Scroll down until you hit the Theme Options section. You'll see a drop-down menu there. Click it open. Now, scroll all the way to the bottom of the list. There it is, Windows Glass. Select that bad boy. Hit Save Settings. Watch your taskbar transform instantly. It's got that frosted, see-through vibe now, letting your wallpaper peek through just enough to make everything pop. Doesn't it look incredible? The edges are smooth, the icons blend perfectly, and suddenly your whole desktop feels alive and modern. But hold on, we're not stopping at the taskbar. As promised, let's crank up the cool factor by making your Start menu transparent too. Back in Windhawk, hop over to the Explore tab again. In the search bar, type Windows 11 Start Menu Styler. Click on its details. Install it the same way. Accept the risk and let it set up. Once it's in, head back to Settings. Under the Theme options for this mod, look for Translucent Start Menu. Check that box to enable it. Now, press the Windows key on your keyboard to open the Start menu. Whoa! Look at that! Pure transparency, with the glass effect rippling across the entire menu. Your tiles, your apps list, everything's got that ethereal glow. It's like your desktop wallpaper is part of the menu itself. And we're saving the best for last, the Notification Center. This one's going to tie everything together and make your quick settings panel match the vibe. Back to Windhawk's Explore tab. Search for Windows 11 Notification Center Styler. Details. Install, Accept Risk, you know the drill by now. Settings time again. In the Themes section, find Translucent Shell. Enable it and save those settings. To test it out, click the date and time in your taskbar's bottom right corner. There it is! The whole notification panel is now gloriously transparent with that same glass sheen. Scroll through your notifications, tweak your brightness or volume sliders, everything flows seamlessly. Even the calendar pops with a subtle blur behind it. And get this, when you expand the quick settings, the toggles for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and more all inherit that glassy look. Your entire interface is cohesive now, like it was designed by a team of futuristic artists. Now, a quick heads up. If you ever want to dial it back or try something else, uninstalling is a breeze. Just right-click the Windhawk icon in your system tray, that little area by the clock. Select Exit Windhawk. Confirm with Yes on the prompt. Everything snaps back to stock Windows in an instant. Then, to fully remove it, press Windows key plus I to open Settings. Click Apps, then Installed Apps. Search for Windhawk in the list. Click the three dots next to it and choose Uninstall. Good as new. No traces left behind. There you have it, folks. A complete guide to that jaw-dropping glass taskbar and beyond. Drop a comment below. What's your favorite part of this setup? Or what's the next customization you're dying to try? Thanks for watching. Stay passionate about tech